These are one window sash springs. Now these ones are replacing these old time Pullman wood tape balancers. So basically what it is a piece of metal, chrome plated piece of metal that maintains its springiness. And you would put them in your channels where your sash goes up and down. So this will not make your window bind. It's thin enough that your sash goes up and down, so you won't have any binding problems. But it pushes against the sash enough to hold the window up. So you can see here, it's just a piece of springy metal. Now this is a temporary permanent repair. These have been in place since the 1970s. So it's as permanent or temporary as you want it. These sash springs were installed mainly because the Pullman balancers are hard to come by. You have to take some time and order them. You just can't take out some chain and install them. So here we'll lift the window up and you'll see that'll hold the window in place after you open it up. Now when you let it down, as soon as it gets below that, it drops down. So, simple, quick repair.